so much. Can you tell me how it all ends up? You know, what happens down there?
I don't know. All I heard was that one side or the other started dropping bombs, and it just all went to shit.
So they don't know who started it or who won?
You don't get it because you've never been down there. It's all gone, Chikorian. Doesn't matter who won or who started it.
Then I don't really have anything to go back to, do I? I mean, family's gone. Friends are gone. Everything I knew is gone.
What you want? Sure I do. I found a secret place they've never noticed. You want some of the stuff I have? Come on, I'll show you.
Sorry. You'll just have to learn to deal with it like the rest of us.
What you want? It's a pretty big place, and I've only seen some of it. They always catch me before I see the whole thing. I've seen the cryo lab. That's where they freeze people and cut them up and stuff. And the hangar. That has the aliens' flying ships and all the stuff they need to fly them. And the robot assembly is where they build the big metal robots they use. But the real important stuff is on the top of the ship. I've never been there. Don't worry, I'll be safe with these guys. They seem pretty neat.
If you got something you want to say, spit it out. Not much to tell. I heard that radio signal, thought I'd check it out. Thought maybe I could pull some scrap from whatever was sending the signal. Got a little more than I bargained for. Does it really matter? I mean, we're fighting to stay alive here. Whatever I did before we got to this point doesn't mean a whole lot right now. Hell if I know. I don't plan on starting a conversation to ask, you know? Go on, don't let me stop you.
Onishi wa nani mono? Koko wa doko da? Sessha no ken? Sessha no ken wa doko da? Onishi, 一体何者? 拙者はなぜここにいる? 拙者の剣はどうなった? 早く返せるか! 何を言っておるのだ? さっぱりわからん. 何とかしてくれ!
Oh, where am I? What's going on? Who are all these people? What? I've never seen any of you before in my life. Last people I saw were... Oh my God! Aliens! I was taken by aliens. You! You must be the aliens trying to get into my mind. Well, that's not gonna work. Private Elliot Tekorian. U.S. Army medic, serial number 3477809. That's all I'm telling you. I don't know. Maybe you assumed human form. I heard they can do that. Or you are human, but they took over your mind. We have no idea how limitless their powers are. I suppose so. Look, all I want to do is get back home and back to the rest of my squad. Wait a minute. My men, my unit. Have you seen them? Oh my God. I'm responsible for them, and now they're lost. Or dead. Please, if you mean what you say, that we're all in this together, then you've got to help me find out what happened to them. Thanks so much. Sorry about all this. I just can't believe this is happening. Sounds like I may be of some use in there. If there are other people in stasis, I could help revive them or something. Just watch my back. Me? Well, I was a medic with the 108th Infantry Battalion stationed at Anchorage, Alaska. I was with a squad of 5 other medics. Our job was to patch everyone up after the commies gunned them down. It was pretty bloody. Nothing at all like I expected when I gave up my hospital job to enlist in the Army. Just hurry up and find us a way off the ship before we all end up frozen again. Oh, hey, what's up? Well, it was getting dark. We'd spent the day out in the trenches, keeping as many of the guys alive as we could. Chinese had been pounding on us all day with artillery from these huge guns they had up on the mountains. It was really a mess. Anyway, we pitched our tents and stowed our gear to try and catch some shut-eye. I woke up suddenly to Private Dawkins screaming. He was bathed in some kind of blue light coming from the sky. All of us just froze as he just, well, vanished. We didn't know what happened. Did the Chinese come up with some new weapon? Moments later, all of us were in the blue light too. The rest, you know. Sure, just watch my back and I'll watch yours. What? What the fuck is this thing? You got some kind of Martian sex machine, you sick fuck? Oh, no, no way! Ah! God damn it! Fucking crazy ass moonman. Go ahead! Do your worst! God! Jesus H! Do you not get it, Space Cadet? I do not fucking understand what you want me to do! This thing? This? What? Talk! I am talking! Look what at do you all want me these to cryogenic chambers. You must be planning to fill them
Blah, 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 yakety yakety. That's all you asked.
all with specimens from our planet. What? What the fuck is this thing? You got some kind of Martian sex machine, you sick fuck? Oh, no, no way! Ah! God damn it! Fucking crazy ass moonman. Go ahead! Do your worst! God! Jesus H! Do you not get it, Space Cadet? I do not fucking understand what you want me to do! This thing? This? What? Talk! I am talking! What do you want me to say?
Blah, 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 yakety yakety. That's all you assholes can say? Spacemen with all the science? And you can't even speak fucking English?
Okay, how about this? My name is Vin. I am on a fucking UFO. I'm from Flatbush, and I want to get home. Can I get a taxi, please? How's that, huh? That work for you, Starstruck? What? Don't you raise that fucking thing to me again. No, you're gonna hit me again? Is that... Ah, son of a... Why don't you go back to Uranus, huh? Ah!
Yes, yes, I understand. I've seen the others. I'll do what you want. This is Dr. Morrison Rand, Professor of Anthropological Archaeology at Banfield College, Humboldt, Oregon. Shortly after 10 p.m. on August 16th, 2041, as I was leaving the college campus, headed to my car, I saw a blinding light. It just appeared in the sky, directly over me. I was blinded. I also found my body completely immobilized. I couldn't move. Not at all. What happened was hazy. I don't remember much. What became clear later, what is certainly clear now, that I was abducted. I am now the captive of an alien race, one of many people held here against our will. And like those others, I am recording who I am. Why? Because the aliens want us to for some reason. They have us do it right before they put us into some kind of suspended animation. These recordings, it's almost as if we're creating our own library catalog entries before we get put into a giant collection. The entire experience would be fascinating if I weren't so completely terrified. What? Stop? You want me to stop now? All right, see? I'm stopping.
What are we gonna do? They just threw me in the cell with you after they poked and prodded me, and now I just hope they won't kill us.
Just take it easy. If they wanted us dead, we'd be dead. They must need something from us.
Yeah, they need us for food or something. You saw that guy. He was all cut open, like he'd been butchered. Oh my God, we're gonna be next.
Hey, I said calm down. If they hear you, they may come for us. Try and take it easy.
No! Get us the hell out of here! Someone get us out, please!
I said to shut up! I'm sorry I did that. Please forgive me. But we need to keep our heads on straight if we're going to survive.
Please, please. I just want to go home. I just want to go home.
This is just ridiculous. I demand to see whomever's in charge. Ow! What the? Do you have any idea who you're dealing with? Ah! Stop it! I am a U.S. Senator, and I warn you, if any harm comes to me, you'll bring the full wrath of the U.S. military upon yourselves. What? Where are you taking me? Get your goddamn hands off me! You'll all pay for this. The U.S. doesn't bargain with aliens! Private Lawrence Mears, U.S. Army medic, serial number 34765. Private Lawrence Mears, U.S. Army medic, serial number 3476511. But you could do whatever you want to me. I'm not saying Jack. Stick it where the sun don't shine. Oh, my Private Lawrence Mears, U.S. Army medic.
lights went out for a few seconds, and I just knew you took out one of those generators. All you have to do is 2 more, and we can leave. I think he's from the Earth's past. There are people frozen all over the ship that the aliens grabbed, wearing funny old-time clothes and stuff. Oh, I hope we can find my sister somewhere. What you want? Don't worry, I'll be safe with these guys. They seem pretty neat. What you want? Don't worry, I'll be safe with these guys. They seem pretty neat.